Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create this beautiful cat snowy design with snowflakes. First I'm going to paint the layout of the cat's face. It's just white gel polish and you can see the small sample. I'm just putting it on the background so I can see. Just ordinary gel polish and you're painting half a circle. And this is the outline of the cat. I am just making sure that I'm filling any gaps and I'm making it as smooth and leveled as possible. My name is Radina Ignatova. I am professional nail expert and educator, creator and founder of the Nail Wiki and Artistic Touch Nail Training Academy. So now this is the opposite hand. We are going to do the cat's paws here. So I have applied and polymerized one coat of white gel polish and I'm applying a second layer of the same white gel polish, and here we would not polymerize. We are leaving it wet, and now I'm dipping the finger into acrylic powder. You can use white or clear, it does not really matter. I'm just dabbing the finger and now I am seeing a small mist bit. I'm picking up a dual form and I am just making sure that that gap that I'm seeing is covered very well. You do not polymerize at all. You carve into the wet gel with the acrylic powder. I am using an orange wood stick. You can use just whatever you have handy as long as it's small enough. And you're just making one big the actual paw of the cat, and then the nails, just some small bits. And this is quite easy to do and very quick. Now this is polymerized and I am starting to draw the actual cat. This is its nose, so I'm just drawing a small fine line from the middle going downwards, and with a small curve that is going to be for its mouth. And you're making sure that you're using a very fine detailed brush and making it as detailed as possible. It's not as hard as it looks. Do it on a sample and you're going to see that it's not as difficult. Here I'm making a small mistake and I'm starting with black. I'm just going to wipe it. So I'm wiping it. I made a small mistake, so I'm just taking out that, and I'm actually going to go polymerize the black, because now I'm going to go and draw the nose in pink. This is the mistake I did, but that's okay as long as it's not polymerized. You can go and erase it. So now this is cured, and I ask my client to pop her hand into the lamp, and I am just making sure that there are no raised bits that are going to annoy her. So I put the nose in pink, and now I am starting to shade. So this is a jelly polish, and it's mixed with base coat to even thin it further to get the almost clear grayish look. You can always use let's say black, and you can mix it with base coat to get that sheer look, just for shadowing. As many details as possible. If you don't have time for all of it, you can leave it without the shading. That's perfectly fine, but keeping in mind that as much detail as your nail art has is going to create that wow factor, and you're going to impress your clients, and it's going to look much better with a lot of detail, but you can't stop at any point. So I am just, it's basically a half circle again for its nostrils, and I am going to add a little bit of snow just with white gel polish, the same white gel polish that we used for the face in general. And it's like it's being in the snow, and snow felt on its nose. I thought that was so cute. And now this is a shade darker. I am just giving it a little bit of more detail, and you can stop, you can make it as strong as you want or light as you want. You can stop at any point, anytime, and be creative. So now she is polymerizing that hand, and I'm just going with the hand file just to see. So this is a nail sticker dipped in a little bit of base coat, and now I am going to polymerize it with my flash cure small lamp, and it presses it down because it has that stamper on the other side. So I'm happy with the snowflake, and I'm just going to go and add hand painted small snowflakes just to fill out the empty space. You can leave it as blank as you want to, or you can go ahead and add more detail. So this is a snow-like gel polish, so it has white glittery bits, and they kind of catch the light as well. So I am just filling out the empty space with this glittery white gel polish, and you can see that she has it on her other fingers as well, so it matches the whole team. So it has bigger and smaller bits, and I'm just kind of just be creative if you do want to add this extra step. Again, it's optional, and you can leave it the way it was. So now I am sealing with a top coat. This is a gloss top coat, no wipe. You're making sure that you're self-leveling if you're using the stickers, as I'm using the one for the snowflake. I am sealing it. Now it's polymerized, and I'm going ahead just on the cat with matte top coat. And I am going to pick up my detailed brush to add a little bit on its nose, so matte top coat goes on the cat only. In my case, if you're using different backgrounds, you can you can just mattify the whole nail. Now I'm making sure that the cat is covered very well into that matte top coat. So now it's polymerized, and this is a no-wipe gel paint. So it gives you a slightly more detailed, and I am going to draw the whiskers with that. So we don't have to wipe anything, or we don't seal, as long as your gel paint is no wipe. So it's different formula. You cannot do this with gel polish. So you're just adding the whiskers and it kind of finishes the whole look. I thought this design is super cute. Very effective and quite easy to do. I am Radina Ignatova. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel and like this video.